Hi, I'm Tom, and I'm the Product Manager for Franchise 360. And in this short video, I'll be covering the features available in Franchise 360 for day-to-day operational management of your franchise. When we talk about day-to-day operations in Franchise 360, this really refers to three areas of the system: quotes, invoices, and jobs, with a calendar to tie the jobs in with the tasks from the CRM system. It's worth pointing out that Franchise 360 is designed to be extended, so if you have other functionality you'd need to help run your franchise, that's no problem either. Just give us a ring to discuss it. I'm going to start off by looking at quotes. To start, we'll go into the CRM system and click on a specific contact. Clicking on the Quotes tab then shows all quotes that you have created for that specific contact, as well as some basic information about the overall state of the account. Total quote value for all time, total outstanding quotes, total quotes last year, and so on. Clicking into a quote then shows the details for the quote, including the individual lines which make it up, and information about its current state. By default, quote lines are completely free text, and pricing is up to the franchisee, but again, this is something we can work with you to adjust to match your franchise. Once you have created the quote, you can click on Preview to generate a printable PDF of the quote, or click Issue to mark the quote as having been issued to the customer. Once issued, you have the choice to either win or lose the quote. As well as the customer-by-customer view of quotes, from the home page you can also see a complete overview of all quotes, with filters at the top to allow you to limit the data down to only quotes that you haven't issued, or only quotes which you've issued and haven't yet won. Next up are invoices. Again, if we go into the CRM system and click on a contact, the Invoices tab shows a list of all the invoices that have been created for that specific contact, complete with an overview of the basic state of the account. Again, total invoices all time, outstanding, last year, etc. Clicking into the invoice shows us the details, with the ability to issue the invoice, and once issued, log payments against it, so you know which invoices are still outstanding. As with quotes, you also have the ability to generate a printable PDF copy. The invoicing module also allows you to create credit notes if you need to refund a customer due to a mistake on your part. Finally, from the home screen, we can click on Invoices to see an overview of all invoices across all customers. Simple filters allow us to limit down the data that we're looking at, just to see only unissued invoices, or to any invoices which have been issued but not yet paid. Basically, our list of outstanding invoices to chase. Additional functionality, such as the ability to mark invoices as paid in bulk, or to view a history of all payments that you've made, is also available through the Manage tab. Now that we've covered the basics of quotes and invoices, the Jobs module is simply a way for you to diarise appointments to do the actual work, whether that is an appointment to go out and quote in the first place, or the job for completing the work once the quote has been won. To demonstrate this, I'll go back into a quote that I've issued and not yet won. Clicking on Win allows us to choose whether to create a job and whether to create an invoice in advance. If we choose to create a job, we'll be shown a form where we can enter the job details. Here we can select the owner, the type of job this is from a list that you define, and the date and time that the job needs to happen. Jobs can even span multiple days if you are doing longer projects. Once added, the job then shows on the calendar for the selected user and can be rescheduled or reallocated to a new user directly through the calendar. You can even print out a physical job sheet by clicking the print button containing all of the key details about their appointments. Hopefully, this has given you a basic overview of the day-to-day operations functionality available in Franchise 360. If you would like to know more, or if you have a specific workflow you would need building into Franchise 360 for your network, please contact us using the number on our website, www.franchise360.com. invoicing.co.uk.